Buying a DDJ mixer console is an exciting step for anyone passionate about DJing, whether you're a beginner just starting or a seasoned professional looking to upgrade. But before you make your purchase, it's important to understand the key factors that can help you choose the right mixer for your needs. Start by thinking about your skill level and goals. If you're a beginner, look for a user-friendly console with essential features like jog wheels, performance pads, and pre-mapped integration with DJ software. These are designed to simplify the learning process and help you get started. If you're more advanced, you'll need a mixer with more robust features, such as 4-channel mixing for layering tracks, built-in effects for added creativity, and customizable controls to give you greater freedom over your mixes. Speaking of software, always check for compatibility with your preferred DJ software. Most mixers work with popular platforms like Rekordbox, Serato DJ, Virtual DJ, or Traktor, and many come bundled with software licenses, which can save you money. Next, consider the number of channels. If you're primarily mixing between 2 tracks, a 2-channel mixer is sufficient. However, if you plan to incorporate external devices, samples, or more complex arrangements, a 4-channel mixer will provide the flexibility you need. Another critical factor is the features offered by the mixer. Jog wheels are essential for scratching and track navigation, while performance pads let you trigger loops, samples, or hot cues, perfect for live remixing. Built-in effects like filters, reverb, and delay can add a polished, professional touch to your transitions. For those who value portability or gig often, lightweight and durable mixers are ideal, while studio-based setups can prioritize larger, feature-packed models. Don't forget about connectivity. Make sure the mixer has the right inputs and outputs for your setup, such as USB ports, headphone jacks, or RCA and XLR connections for speakers and external gear. Finally, set a clear budget. Entry-level mixers under $300 are great for beginners, offering essential features without overwhelming complexity. Mid-range options, priced between $400 to $800, include more advanced capabilities, higher build quality, and better performance, ideal for intermediate DJs. Professional models, often priced over $1,000, are built for durability, with premium materials, standalone functionality, and extensive connectivity options for the ultimate DJing experience. Remember, the best DDJ mixer for you isn't necessarily the most expensive. It's the one that fits your style, needs, and goals. Think about how and where you'll use it, whether it's for home practice, live gigs, or studio production. By focusing on the features that matter most to your workflow, you'll choose a mixer that enhances your creativity and takes your skills to the next level. With the right DDJ console, you'll be ready to create unforgettable mixes and performances, no matter where your DJing journey takes you.